Hello and welcome to the exercise section of Lesson 2. Here you will get hands-on experience through a series of exercises that build your understanding step by step. In this exercise, you will create a basic class called car. It should have two attributes, brand and year. Then you will create two car objects and print their attributes. The goal is to understand how classes encapsulate data and how objects are instantiated from them. Now we will expand the car class by adding a method called startEngine. This method will print a message indicating that the car's engine is running. This introduces the concept of behavior in classes, that is, how objects can perform actions. Next, you will define a task class with two attributes, title and deadline. You will also add a method called showTask that prints the task details. This exercise reinforces how to structure classes with both data and behavior. Here you will create three task objects and store them in a list. Then you will use a loop to print each task. This teaches you how to manage collections of objects and iterate through them efficiently. Let's enhance the task class by adding a status attribute which defaults to incomplete. You will also create a method called markComplete that updates the status to complete. This introduces state changes within object. Finally, you will create a student class with attributes for name, age, and major. The introduce method will print a self-introduction. This exercise connects object-oriented design to real-world modeling, helping you see how classes represent entities in everyday life.